ये तो है। Okay. Okay. Acrosome, I repeating bete. Just listen to me. I don't know. So acrosome provide the enzyme for the fertilization. The whole portion you can see. This is the head, which consists of nucleus and the okay. Then there is a tail. Tail is for the vigorous movement. इनकी मैंने parts की the function has been told. वही आपने याद रखनी है. Okay. Done all the students. We'll start with the ovum then. This is a sperm, bete. No blue cells is there in the sperm. This is sperm diagram, which consists of an acrosome at the tip, which provide enzyme for the fertilization. Then you can see the whole piece. Very good, Saksham and Kundas. Keep it up, and so we will. So you must keep it up. Okay. So head, nucleus, cytoplasm. Then there is a middle piece which consists of a mitochondria, and then there is a tail which is there for the fetus movement. Got it? Movement mein. I have written in the bracket. Array. Okay. So now the participants are Pragati 2, 14, 15, 19, 23, 40, 37, 40, 41. So now draw the diagram of ovum. I am erasing it. Samshay, you have very brilliant drawing. You are an artist. Keep it up. Sit down. इसको इतना स्क्वायर नहीं बनाना, मैंने इतना बड़ा रेक्टेंगल बनाया है, आपने स्क्वायर बना दिया. Now draw the diagram of the female gamete, that is ovum. No voice at all. हाँ बेटे डबल करना आपने ऐसे, यह ऐसे और इसके बीच में ऐसे से, ठीक है। न्यूक्लियर से बेटे जैसे मर्जी बनाओ, उसको कलर करना होता है। बहुत सुंदर बनी है, अति सुंदर। एनर्जी वेस्ट ना करे ना चलने कूदने में, पढ़ाई में लगा लिया करना, अति से अति सुंदर बन जाए। Okay, done. Now the next process is fertilization. So simple diagram, we are taking so much time. सबसे देखी भी नहीं पता चला मैंने क्या बनाया। You are learning in the same standard, so you must change yourself. No, you are not in nursery or LKG. Change yourself. नर्सरी लेवल पे क्या था, तब आपको आर्ट शार्ट टेम्पल आपको कुछ ना बनाते ही लेवल में, ठीक है। Now next is बेटे fertilization. Hurry up then. कवरिंग ये सेल्स है बेटे, हम उनके अराउंड सारा, ये दो कवरिंग है, ये वाली और ये वाली, ये मोटी वाली है, एक पतली वाली। ये जो मोटी वाली कवरिंग है उसके साथ ही ये शुरू हो जाते हैं, लाइन नहीं लगानी, ये लगाई हुई है। मान लो you have taken a section of a uterus and only one ovary you are seeing. ठीक है? This is other ovary we are not drawing. Got it? We have taken a section. So this is the one of the section of the ovary. ठीक है? And now how the fertilization and implantation of the embryos take place. ठीक है? So draw the diagram and then you will understand. So yesterday you have made a complete diagram of the female reproductive system, and now we have taken one of the section. Got the point? इसमें थोड़ी सी स्पेस और दे दूं, will be convenient for me. Now first beti, here is the egg or the ovum. Okay. Now this egg will come into the fallopian tube. Just make it, I will not give the extra time now. Fallopian tube में. The next is quiet, no voice. Now we have written one line yesterday that fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube itself. Now here the fertilization will occur. Okay, so the ovum come from the ovary to the fallopian tube. This is the ovum. Peak. Now here the process of fertilization is going on. And after fertilization, the first cell form is a zygote. You will show with an arrow here. So first cell is a zygote here. Then there is a two-cell stage. Two-celled stage. Two cell बन गए, divide करेंगे बेटे. Then there is a formation of two cell. Now there will be the formation of 8 cell. वो भी करवाएंगे. Now you will form 8 cells in a circle. Then there is 8 cell stage. Okay, bete? Come here and check. Then bete, after 8 cell, again the cells will multiply and form 16 cell. So here you will form a 16 cell stage. Okay, 16 cell stage. In each cell, you will show the nucleus. I said no voice while drawing the diagram. Aksha. Now this is a 16 cell. After here, there is a 32 cell. But you will write.
मैम 16 सेल इनके बनाने पड़ेंगे.
Then there will be 64 and there will be implantation. Okay? Now there will be, ऐसे लिख दो बेटे.
मैम सिर्फ 12 बन गए 20
ट्राई कर लेना घर जाके. ये देखो बेटे ये सेल्स है. ये अब जब इम्प्लांटेशन होती है तो इसके जो टिश्यूज हैं इसको रैप करेंगे. तो हियर यू विल form a projection showing the tissues like this. Write down 64 celled and now the process of implantation is there.
मैम ऐसे 16 तो बनेगा.
Practice makes a man perfect. See bete. Now understand the whole process. The ovum come in the fallopian tube. Got it? In this fallopian tube, there occur the fertilization. And first cell which is formed after the fertilization is known as zygote. Now this zygote will divide to form 100 of the cells. So many cells are forming? Now this cell will gradually form into the tissues and tissue will turn into the organ and the complete body is known as, then when all the organ, like all the body part will be visible, then it is known as fetus. Okay? Fully grown, जब body part visible होने शुरू हो जाते हैं, legs, ठीक है, eyes, everything when visible is there, then it is known as fetus. Okay? एक ही साइड से बेटे. अभी बना नहीं फीटस तो हम बना नहीं सकते यहाँ पे. एक ही साइड से, एक साइड से. Listen to me carefully. This is a zygote बेटे. This developing structure, जो ये structure बन रहा है, जिसमें सारे टिश्यूज वगैरह बनने शुरू हो गए हैं, दिस इज नोन एज एम्ब्रियो. व्हाट डज इट नोन एज? एम्ब्रियो. ठीक है. नाउ दिस एम्ब्रियो गेट embedded in the wall of the uterus, and this process is known as implantation. Got the point?
मैम मतलब ये जो की सामने वॉल है उधर से जाएगी.
हाँ, is get implanted. Again I repeating bete, the ovum come into the fallopian tube where the fertilization occur, and the first cell after fertilization is a zygote. Now this zygote will divide. Okay. Now this dividing structure which is forming, it is known as embryo. Okay. Now this embryo will get implanted or it can embed it into the uterus wall. And this process is known as implantation. जब embedded, तो nourishment लेनी होती है. ये जो सेल डिवाइड होगी, जो स्ट्रक्चर बना, दैट इज एम्ब्रियो व्हिच कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ टिश्यूज. छोटी है बेटे, जब सेल्स बहुत सारी बन जाती है, डेवलप हो रहा है जिससे टिश्यूज बन रहे हैं, और ये एक डेवलपिंग स्ट्रक्चर है, डेवलप हो रहा है अभी, इसकी सेल्स टिश्यूज सब बन रहे हैं. ओके. नाउ दिस एम्ब्रियो विल ग्रेजुअली डेवलप एंड form different body parts like legs, eyes, ears, every part. Now that is known as fetus. Okay. Now fetus is attached to the uterus through the placenta. Through the placenta. This fetus is attached to the uterus to take the nourishment. The fetus wants to take the nourishment. ठीक है. So how does it take the nourishment? Through the placenta. Nutrient bete. It is a tube-like structure which provides the nutrient to the fetus. As fetus at that state can't eat itself. Okay. So the fetus is joined to this uterus by you can say a tube-like structure that is known as placenta. This is the whole process of the fertilization. Behave like a human being. Behave like. You must. But enough. Up to implantation you have to do. What's the point? Any doubt in this? The first cell after fertilization is known as zygote. Then zygote will divide, okay, and form first tissue, cells, then tissue, then organ. This whole developing structure is known as embryo. Embryo will get embedded into the uterus, and this process is known as implantation. Okay. When all the body organs or the part is visible, that is legs, ears and everything, then it is known as fetus, and fetus drive the nourishment. Nobody, you don't have to make 32 or 64, just you have to write. Okay. Now only frog I think is left will do. Not good.